Imagine consistently generating $5,000 a month for your Shopify store, all thanks to the power of paid ads. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how my clients and I achieve that, step by step, focusing on smart strategies to maximize your return on ad spend. First, we dive deep into ad targeting. It's not about blasting your ads everywhere. It's about precision. We start by thoroughly researching our ideal customer. Think demographics, age, location, interests, and even their online behavior. For example, if you sell eco-friendly yoga mats, you'd target people interested in yoga, mindfulness, sustainability, and perhaps specific wellness brands. We utilize lookalike audiences to finding new customers who share characteristics with your existing best buyers. This ensures our ad spend reaches the most receptive audience. Next, campaign optimization. This is a continuous process. We set up campaigns with clear goals, like website traffic or conversions. Then, we monitor key metrics daily. Are people clicking but not buying? Maybe the landing page needs work or your ads getting ignored. We'll adjust ad creative and copy. We also meticulously manage our bids, ensuring we're not overpaying for clicks, and we set daily budgets to control spending. Conversion tracking is non-negotiable. We set up pixels and UTM parameters to precisely track every click, every add to cart, and every completed purchase that originates from our ads. This data is gold. It tells us which campaigns, ad sets, and even individual ads are performing best. This leads us to A/B testing. We constantly test variations of our ads. This could be a different headline, a new image, a compelling call to action, or even a special offer. By showing two versions of an ad to similar audiences, we can definitively see which performs better. The winner gets more budget, and we iterate. By combining precise targeting, ongoing campaign optimization, robust conversion tracking, and relentless A/B testing, we are able to refine our ad strategy, reduce wasted spend, and consistently scale our efforts to achieve that impressive $5,000 monthly revenue mark through paid advertising on Shopify.